Hey guys, today we're going to be working on sequences and series. Okay, so first we're going to start with the arithmetic sequence, and this is the formula right here up on the board. That is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. And a sub n is the nth term, which is usually your last term. A sub 1 is your first term. N is the number of terms. Minus 1 is always constant, so this part will never change. D is your common difference. So you really got to memorize this formula and know what each of these terms are. So let's start with a problem. Alright, so in the first problem, we are asked to find the next three terms. In the arithmetic sequence given here, which is 23, 29, and 35, and it goes on. Alright, so first of all, we need to find our common difference, which is our D. So to find that, you simply subtract 29 from 23. So that's 29 minus 23 equals 6. So your D equals 6, which is your common difference. Also, you could do 35 just to verify. 35 minus 29, which also equals 6. So your D is 6. Now, how do you find the next three terms? Simple. You go from 35, and you add 6. That's 35 plus 6 equals 41. So now that's your first, your third, now you need your fourth. So 41 plus 6 equals 47, and 47 plus 6 equals 53. So that's your third, fourth, and fifth term. Now that one did not need the formula, but this kind of just introduces you to the common difference concept. So let's do another one. Alright, next. Now we're going to find the 24th term. So find 24th term in the sequence 6, 10, 14, and 18. Alright, first of all, do we have all the parts we need? Do we have our a sub n, our last term? Yes, we do. And that is, well, actually, our a sub n would be, let me change colors. Our a sub n would be a 24 equals, because this is our nth term. 24 is our nth term. And what is our a sub 1? Well, that would be 6 plus, and what goes here, that's the number of terms, and we are asked to find the 24th term, so 24 would go here, minus 1, close parentheses, and your common difference. Again, how do we find that? Simple. We do 10 minus 6, or 14 minus 6, or sorry, it's 14 minus 10, or 18 minus 14. All these equal 4. So 4 would go right here. And simply, you put this into your calculator, and your a sub 24 would equal 98. That is your answer. So that, the 24th term would be 98. So, let's do another problem. Okay. Next, we are given a sub 1 equals 6, a sub n equals 31, and n equals 6. Alright, do we have all the pieces? Yes, we do. And in this one, they are looking for our common difference. So this is what we're looking for right here. So all we gotta do is plug it into the formula. Again, it's easy to plug in your values into your equation, but you have to memorize the equation. So what is our a to the n? That's given right here. So 31 equals 6, which is our first term, plus the number of terms is right here. Remember, n equals number of terms, minus 1 stays constant, and we want our d. So 31 subtract 6, those cancel. This would be 25 is equal 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is 5, and then 5 times d, 5d, 25 divided by 5. So d equals 5. And that is your answer. Let's do one more, a little bit different. Alright, so in this one, we are given a sequence, and that is 4 blank blank 22. And they want us to find the arithmetic means. What are your arithmetic means? These guys right here are your abbreviated means. Arithmetic means right there. Alright, so do we have all the information? Yes, we do, but we don't have our common difference. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use our formula. So we're going to have, what is our last term? 22 equals our first term, 4, plus the number of terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, and our common difference, which we don't know. So 22 minus 4 is 18. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times d is 3d. d equals 9. Oh, sorry. 3 does not equal 9. If that was 2, it would. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, so now we have our d, and all we do is we're going to take this 4 and we're going to add 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, and now we're going to do 10 plus 6, and that's going to be 16. So your answers would be 10 and 16. So 4, 10, 16, and then 22. You can also do it, let's say you're in a situation and you can't, let's say they didn't give you that, you only have this, 22. All you gotta do is 22 subtract 6. 22 subtract 6 would be 16. 16 subtract 6 would be 10. So basically, if you're going the other way, you're always gonna do the opposite thing. So you add this way, you subtract that way. So yeah, that's all for this video, and watch the next video because I'm going to be doing solving the sum of the arithmetic sequences. Thanks for watching, guys.